Hi everybody. I woke up this morning and looked out of my kitchen window and saw lots and lots of tracks, animal tracks. And we have been hearing a lot of coyote activity at night around our house. So this really wasn't a surprise. They've really been looking for rabbits, and this is on the side of my house. So you can see all these holes they were digging, trying to get to the rabbit tunnels that are underneath some of our juniper trees. So unfortunately, this is also on the side of the house where I, a couple months ago, planted bulbs. So you can see they started digging holes where I planted some bulbs. And here you can see the bulbs have sprouted already. Good news is they didn't dig up most bulbs. I only found one that was dug up, so I'm just going to place it back in here and just cover it back up. We live outside the city, so we live with wildlife, and you just have to learn to live together. So what I'm doing today is recovering where they dug the bulbs up and covering any holes to discourage them from digging a little bit more. You can see these are some pretty good sized holes. They were busy last night. But again, we live together. We learn to live together. And I will say this, if they do come back and dig my bulbs up again, I will probably put down some chicken wire so they can't dig. But for right now, I'm just going to cover all these holes up, make sure my bulbs are well covered so that they can have a chance to grow more and survive, because we're not done with winter. But other than that, that's all I'm going to do. But like I said, the good news is my bulbs have sprouted. I could see some of them now, and I know we'll have some pretty bulbs this spring. My question for you is, what kind of wildlife pressure do you have in your area, and what tips do you have to ensure a successful garden? Hey, do me a favor. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and like and share this video. Thanks for watching.